Welcome back, YouTubers. So we have 21 mystery boxes here. Yes, I said it. 21 mystery boxes. One more than the last time we opened up mystery boxes. And I have never opened up the Animal Kingdom pins. And it is an 8-pin collection. And as always, we're hoping for Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, Chip 'n Dale. Any of these pins would be amazing. We like all of these characters.
I hope you get Goofy.
Yeah, Goofy would be cool. That'd be nice.
Yeah, he's on the mat.
Okay, oh, these are really big pins. Let's see.
I pull them out.
Yeah, I'll let Kylie pull this one out. Kenzie, you pull that one out.
Oh, it's Chip 'n Dale.
Ooh, Kylie got Dale.
I got...
That's cute. And Minnie Mouse. Wow, those are really nice. Here's what the back looks like.
I hope you get Goofy.
Yeah, let's move these forward. Okay, let's open these ones up. How about I cut them open and you guys pull them out. Here, Kylie. Here, Kenzie. Oh, we got Minnie Mouse again.
Yep.
Oh, and Pluto. Those are really cute. Very, very nice. Okay, let's open up Adventure is Out There. These are some of my favorite pins. I love the detail. They have like really sparkly stuff on them. Alright, so I'll open them up.
Oh, you ripped the box.
Oh, I didn't mean to rip the box.
It's okay.
There you go, Kylie. Can you see it? Ooh, Pinocchio! And Minnie Mouse. Ooh, I really like Pinocchio, how sparkly he is. Can you see that? Really pretty. I don't even collect Pinocchio pins, but I'm definitely keeping that one. So pretty. And I have this one already, so we are going to have to fight over it for Kylie and Kenzie. Maybe we'll get another one. Okay. Here you go, Kylie. Here you go, Kenzie.
Yeah,
Oh, Cheshire Cat. I don't have that one. My husband has it. Awesome.
I just go like that, and I jump it out.
Okay, and another Pinocchio. Wow. So pretty. And I didn't show you what the back looks like. Alright, so let's open up this brand new Star Wars set.
Yeah, we opened that one time ago.
It's a 10-pin collection.
We opened that a long time ago. What do I get?
Chewbacca or BB-8 would be good.
I want that one.
Okay.
It's Princess Leia. I want BB-8.
Get this one. Alright, Kenzie.
BB-8.
There you go. Oh, nice. Okay. Now you want to open up. Let's open up these BFFs. We have opened up one of these before. They are really cool pins.
Okay, I want that one. I want that one and that one.
Okay.
I want the Bambi one.
Okay. Alright, let's move
Those
this
are
little
all
backpack.
nice pins.
Yeah, they're very nice.
Yeah, they're so pretty.
Move those black bags.
Okay, they're getting so
Here's
bad.
that. Here's that, Kenzie.
I just go like that.
Oh, well that's the one Kenzie wanted.
Oh, I got.
And we got Baymax. Alright. I like Baymax. I collect Baymax pins.
I like that one too.
Yeah, those are really nice. Okay, let's open up these digital mystery collection.
I hope I get the mini.
And I think we have Donald Duck, and I know I have Goofy.
I want that
Chip
one.
'n Dale would be awesome.
I know I have that one. I don't have that one.
Okay, so let's open it up.
I never got one of these pins. But I do. I have Pluto.
You have Pluto?
I don't have my Minnie Mouse pinboard.
Okay, first one is Dale. Awesome.
I hope we get shit for you.
And second one is Daisy. Oh, I really like Daisy. She's cute.
Me too.
That's way cute.
She's pretty.
Okay, here's the other one.
Hope you get. He'll get pretty.
Alright, so we got Mickey. I don't have Mickey. He's cute. I like him. And Minnie Mouse.
I was hoping for that one, Mama.
That's cute.
I wanted the chip.
I think I have Minnie Mouse already. I just don't have Mickey. Okay, let's open up these villain pins. We have 3 of them. Oh,
Ouch.
sorry.
You're always knocking them off.
Alright. So this is an 8-pin collection.
We haven't opened this one to knock the
Okay, the ones that I've opened can go off of their pins. Alright? Just take them and put them on the coffee table. Mystery pin set. And I have had all of them, but I really want Scar or Jafar because I collected both of those. And I actually haven't seen Hades yet, but I've seen the other ones. So let's open them, and we have a good chance of getting them.
I haven't seen Ursula. It does.
Alright.
Ursula, I want Ursula.
Here, let's open these. Get them all out.
I open them this time.
Get them all out of here.
Here we open them. Open it, Ursula. Whoa, you opened both.
No. You're going to get your fingers cut. Do not do that. Alright, first one is the Wicked Queen. She's a bad apple.
Well, I have it.
And the other one is Deep Trouble, Ursula.
I was hoping for that one.
Oh, Hades. Got Hades,
Almost.
Explosive. And what's this one?
Ooh, I really like that.
And we got Clothes Hound. You already have that one, Kylie. And we got, ooh, alright, we got Jafar. That'll go with my Aladdin collection. And got one more here.
In the bottom.
And another Ursula. Any more? Is that all of them? Okay, let's open up this villain collection. This is the comic book pins.
Ooh, I want.
These are fun.
I like that one.
Yeah.
I like the words.
I would really like, well, I already have him. I would really like Captain Hook because my husband took the last one I opened up. And then Jafar would be good.
That one looks good.
Yeah.
For me, I like the words.
Okay, let's see.
That'd be fools.
Yeah.
I don't like this fruit.
Alright, let's see what we got. First one, and I'm not sure what movie he's from. If anybody knows who he is and what movie he's from, please comment in the comment section below. Alright. And alright, got the White Queen. Or the Red Queen.
It's Red Queen.
Is it the Red Queen? Alice in Wonderland?
Oh, I collect Alice in Wonderland.
Oh no, I think your sister does.
I do.
She does.
Me too.
Okay, so let's open up these Nightmare Before Christmas pins.
Oh, I don't want them. Oh,
And it's an 8-pin collection.
I want
And they're hat pins.
And I want that one. I want
Okay.
that one too.
Alright, let's not bump into the camera. There. Here we go. First one. And that one's way cool. It says Halloween Town on it. Oh, I really like that one. Alright, let's see. Next one is Zero. That's cute. It's got his little doghouse on it and everything.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah, it's way cute. Okay, let's open up these Tsum Tsum villains. There's a 9-pin collection.
Oh, I want.
And I have Ursula.
I want that
I
one.
would really like Captain Hook.
I like that one.
Okay, let's see what we get.
I like Oh, I like your stepmother.
Okay, first one is Maleficent.
Yeah, I was hoping for that.
That one's really nice. Kylie, I think you already have that one.
No, we don't.
Okay.
She has the dragon.
The dragon, okay. And Dr. Facilier. Or the Shadow Man.
Yes, it is the Shadow Man.
Shadow Man. Okay, let's do this Chinese Zodiac mystery collection. It's a 12-pin collection.
What's Christmas? Pins.
And these are kind of cool.
I don't have him, so I just want to have him.
I've opened up that one and that one. So any of these, Abu would be awesome.
I'm going to open this one.
Okay, pull them out for me, Kenzie. I'll open them.
Come on. Whoa, it's fun.
Okay, the first one is the White Rabbit.
Oh, we should get that to that dad.
All right, Kylie, I will use the scissors. They are not child scissors. Okay. The second one is a little lamb. I'm not sure what movie or cartoon that is from. Ferdinand, maybe? I'm not sure. Okay. And we got the little Chicken Little.
Okay.
And
here's the bag.
Mickey Mouse again.
Oh, I want Pluto. Can I have Mickey Mouse?
Okay.
I need Pluto.
Let's see. These are pretty big pins, so the bag kind of is tight on there.
They're hard to open.
A little bit, yeah. There we go. Oh, I have that one already.
Igor.
No, that is Babe the Blue Ox.
Oh.
Good guess. And this looks like Maximus. All right, I love Rapunzel pins. That is way cute.
I collect Rapunzel pins.
Of course you do.
I do.
Okay, we got 4 boxes left. 1 Dory box, which I'm not too excited about. 2 It's a Small World boxes. I don't collect that collection, but my mother-in-law does. And the Pirate box. So I'm going to open up. This is a 10-pin collection. And we pretty much have all of these.
I just want that one. Pirate.
Let's see what we get.
I have only one of those pirate pins. I hope
We have one.
It's Stitch.
Alright, this is the Minnie Mouse one. She is the redhead from the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, I believe.
She has it and you have it, so I want it.
Oh, and this looks like it has been opened. And it's Stitch! Alright, my husband, this is the only one he doesn't have for the collection. Now he has the whole collection. Okay, let's open up It's a Small World. This is an 8-pin collection. These are the 8 pins you can get. Yeah, go ahead, open that.
I'll open this one, my pins.
Go ahead, open the Dory ones.
Then mine.
I will cut them open for you.
Okay.
Alright, the first one, a little dancing guy with some tulips. It's kind of cute. And the next one.
Come on, my Dory pins.
We've seen this one before. Another little It's a Small World character.
Come on.
And alright, the clock. I think I might be keeping that one since my mother-in-law already has it, and it represents It's a Small World, and I like ride pins.
I like that one and that one. Yeah, that one and that one.
And this looks like a little Spanish dude.
I love her.
Alright, so this is a Dory collection, 8-pin collection. Kenzie already opened it up. Here's the little bag she pulled out. Here, Kylie, you pull one out, and Kenzie, you pull the other one out, and this is our last box.
I just dumped this.
Alright, last one. It says, "Eee," and she's smiling. She's kind of cute.
I like it.
Let's see, what did you get,
I
Kylie?
didn't open it.
Oops.
Oh, this one popped right
It popped right out. And it goes, I don't know. It's Ills. I don't speak Wales, so I don't know.
I like it.
Check out our other video. We do a DIY on how to make a VHS box into a pin board. Kylie's. Oh, I'm gonna open it. Here's mine. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.